7 September, 8:42 in the morning, out in the bush, so to speak. Not going to be any porta potties for the rest of the day, so you go to the bush, and we're halfway up the mountain to where we're going to get on the river, and it's freezing here, and we're wearing stuff meant for out jogging in 90-degree weather that wicks moisture. How many people do we have here? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21 of us, roughly. And, sure.
Will you hug me to keep me warm?
I can do that. Otherwise, you'll punch me.
But then the pictures are free. Alabama, in the U.S., near Florida. Anyway, this is a bus. Wind's blowing, I know I'll get behind the bus here. Maybe. It's a logging road, and they harvest mahogany here. Some of the native forests are still left, but now there's a program and they're reintroducing the mahogany, different species, I guess, because it grows faster. The native mahogany might take up to 60 years to mature. Now they've got a species they put in there in 20 years that's ready to go. So I guess we're going down in this river. Some of the chasms we're going to go through are going to be as much as 165 feet tall. We're going to spend 4 hours, well, 5 hours on the river, 5.5 hours. But then there'll be lunch and a couple breaks along the way. And
we eat a lot of this banana bread because lunch, we have to reach halfway, then we have lunch. If you're hungry, we do not just reach halfway, we'll continue to paddle. To reach halfway, because that's how we schedule time down the river. So you have to eat banana bread.
We're eating banana bread.
So we're in California.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Stop here, pick it up down the river.